Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix, and today we have this 2014 Chevy Impala 3.6, and we're doing spark plugs on it. And when you first look, you'll see this intake. It looks like the 3.6 on some of the Dodges, but it does not. This one is not required to remove the intake to get the back ones. If you try to pull the back ones, they're sitting like that. Okay, it sits like that, each one of them in the back. If you try to pull it, it's gonna hit the intake. You say, oh shit, I'm gonna have to remove the intake. But if you take the bolt that holds it, which is this guy right here, take it all the way out, this guy. So bolts in here, take it completely out, and basically it's sitting like that, right? And you can't get it out. It hits the intake. So as soon as you twist it this way, it'll come out just like nothing in the way. And the same thing with the plugs. I use this, you can use any ratchet, any socket. This is a 5/8 socket. I use the long ones, easy, but you can use any 5/8, and it comes in and out, guys, really easy. Look, now it's in. Now see, it's in the hole. It's really easy, no problems. Installation. You'll have to take this tube out. It's easy to take. It has a lock right here. You take it out, and then you press on the white tab, and you pull this tube that way, get out of your way. And all the three now, I got them out. See, all these plugs. So it's really easy. The front one's just a piece of cake, but the back ones, some people think they have to take the intake, and I'm sure some people have done that already. Okay, you don't need to take the intake. Just twist it, should be right out. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and to keep all these videos saving you money on a car repair coming to you. Thank you.